Welcome to Math 160 online for the spring 2018 semester. Hopefully by now you've read my email and registered for my Open Math. This video will go through our specific website that you'll be using for the remainder of the semester. So you want to use your WebAdvisor ID and password as your setup for your login for my Open Math. Once you've signed up and registered for our course by using the course ID and enrollment key, you will be taken to this page under the link Math 160 Spring 2018, and you can find that under Courses. If you notice when you open up the page, the top is a calendar. The calendar will keep you up to date with all of the due dates. For instance, this Friday, which we can click, we have an optional extra credit syllabus quiz and Forum 1 post, which is about introductions due. When you click on a specific day, you have some quick links to those assignments. Underneath the calendar are announcements. Right now, there's just some permanent announcements that I've left up about module quizzes, late passes, the midterm, the final, reviewing your assignments, and understanding your grade in the grade book. I'll be posting weekly announcements on our mom page, so make sure that you look as often as possible to see any updates that will tell you where you should be in the material. There's some orientation videos. This welcome video that I've sent you in the email will also be available to you in the orientation videos to rewatch at your leisure. There's information about the homepage, calendar, course content, and homework with some more information about how to use late passes, how to understand the gradebook, and how to access the messaging system. Anytime you want to go back to the homepage, you can click the link that says Math 160. Underneath the orientation videos are course documents where you can find the syllabus, the schedule, which I recommend that you print and put next to your computer or keep with you at all times. You can also read about navigating through Mom and how to enter answers into Mom. And if you've never used the program before, I really want to encourage you to read this and print it for help. Once you've gone through all of those documents, you want to take the extra credit syllabus quiz. You'll have 30 minutes to complete it. You'll get 1 point for extra credit, and it's due by Friday at 11:59 p.m. There is a textbook that you can use for extra resource. Most of your time will be spent in the modules. Each module represents a chapter in a textbook, and when you click on a module, it's broken down by sections, and each section has a topic that corresponds to the section title. You'll want to work through each of the topics that has videos with practice problems, and then you'll want to do the homework. The homework, as said in the syllabus, is not required, but if you achieve 95% correctness by the end of the semester, you can get 10 extra credit points. If you ever have a question on your homework, there will be a link to email the instructor, and it'll send me the problem, and you can let me know what you're having trouble with. Once you've completed the entire module and done the homework, you then want to practice for the module quiz. You can attempt this as many times as you like, and you want to do that before you actually attempt the module quiz. You only have 2 attempts per problem, and you have to get it done before the due date. So make sure you practice as much as you can to get full credit for those module quizzes. I'll be posting most missed questions to the module quizzes after they're due. Going back to the home page. Underneath the modules, the other graded assignment are the forums. The first forum that you'll have due is Forum 1, which is the introductions, where you introduce yourself to the rest of the class. With an online class, we still need to be as engaged as possible with each other, so it's important that you describe yourself in as much detail as possible as if we're going to see you in person. I will give you 2 points extra credit if you post a picture, and I'll give you 5 points extra credit if you do your introduction on video. There will be 4 forums. I know there's only 3 posted here. I'm still updating the site. There's voluntary forums. These forums are labeled by module. You'll want to post homework questions here so your peers can also answer your questions. I'll monitor these, but it's really important that you guys work together and create a community within the class. And finally, there are some helpful class sites. I really want to encourage you to get familiar with these class sites to make sure you have as many options as you can for help. Don't forget to email me if you have any questions, and I will be holding office hours, and you can find those on the syllabus. I look forward to a productive semester, and I can't wait to meet you guys in the forum. Good luck.